Okay, guys, let's talk about the Bitcoin today. Bitcoin, how to say? For myself, I see Bitcoin as a scam. There's no real value for the Bitcoin because Bitcoin is created by random people. Maybe I shouldn't say random people. Maybe I should say just create without any value. Is the purpose I think the Bitcoin been created is because the the financial crisis of US dollar of the American US the QE and the people looking for a place to try to save their money try to make the profit from from the devaluation of the US dollar, so they need um, a assets, they need a place to how to say um, the to grow their assets, to grow their profit, to grow the money. So this is why Bitcoin been created, and because if you see that the real this two 20,000, the price of 20,000 around 20,000 is the end of 17. And if you have a look the process of the QE, the process of the interest rate, so this is the very beginning the point for the Federal Reserve that they start raising the interest rates. So this candle for the last day, for the yesterday, I think, yeah. So is the reason is, I think is the Federal Reserve saying that we're gonna not gonna raise interest rates. We're probably uh, gonna do that next year, and we're not gonna do that again this year. So this is the reason I think the Bitcoin, the people's come back to buy Bitcoin. So for me, I think this is really a scam that you shouldn't pay attention to it. You shouldn't buy Bitcoin. From technical point of view, that there is no um, liquidation. There's no floor and to for this pair because it's kind of before this point, it's kind of closing market. Is the people not really know about that. Is and, uh, and when the price reached 20,000, this the market is the financial market is saying that, oh, we have a new product called Bitcoin and you can buy it. So is that's a good time that the big head, the big boys, to sell the Bitcoin. So um, from now, I think the Bitcoin price is maybe go a little bit higher to 6,000. And when it reaches 6,000, well, you just sell it. And I think it's going down and down and down and down. Yeah. So there's no real value for the Bitcoins. And you have to understand that for the currency value, you go spend maybe 30 minutes to study the history of the currency. That the history of currency is from the metal, from the gold to the US dollar, because the US dollar used to be represent the gold. And after 1976, it's not represents gold anymore. It represents the credit of the country. So the Bitcoin, there's no country for Bitcoin. There's no credit for Bitcoin. So there's no value for it. It's just a bubble. So um, we maybe we'll wait. Maybe if you wanna buy, just but not over 6,000. I don't think it's gonna hard. Maybe, yeah. Well, this is not unusual pair. Maybe over 6,000, but eventually it's gonna heading down. So not. I don't think it's gonna rally to 20,000 anymore. It's just 6,000 maximum to 6,000 around here. So just ignore it. Just ignore it. Don't worry about the Bitcoin anymore. And I don't think it's a good time to buy. If you want to buy, if you want to invest, you can buy US dollar. You can buy US stock, or you can buy gold, but not Bitcoin. You can buy real gold. Just buy real gold. That's better. So just ignore